Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today we're going to be making a quick and easy savory recipe which is called a sweetcorn bhajia. This is perfect as an afternoon tea snack or also fit for your lunch boxes. We are going to be making sweetcorn bhajias, or also called sweetcorn pakodas. Bhajias or pakodas are a popular street food that is found in many countries like India and Pakistan and is made mostly in the month of Ramadan. The recipe I am sharing with you today can be used to coat potatoes to make potato bhajias. It can be used to coat onion rings and also brinjals. Let's start by making the batter for our sweetcorn bhajias. And I'm going to start by adding in all the dry ingredients. So first the spices. Here I've got half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Then I've got 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Then I've got 1 cup of gram flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to mix all of them together so that it is all well incorporated. Make a well in the center and add in your 1 onion diced. So I finely diced those. Then I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander. If you're not a fan of onions in your bhajias, then you can omit this, but adding the onions actually give it a nice sweet flavor, and this adds to the sweet corn, which makes this dish really delicious. In this bowl, I've got 2 tablespoons of fresh full cream milk. To the 2 tablespoons of milk, I've added in 1 full egg, and I'm just going to beat this all together. And then add the egg and milk mixture into the bowl. So I've just added in a 410 gram of sweet corn, cream style sweet corn. And then mix all of this together until you get a nice batter. So I forgot to add in the baking powder and the fine salt, which are 2 main ingredients for this dish. But that's not a train smash. I've added it in now, and I'm going to leave this to rest for about 5 minutes. This is what the batter will look like. And while this is resting, I'm going to heat my oil. In this pot, I filled in about 5 cups of sunflower oil, and we're going to wait for this to heat and then fry our bhajias. So I'm just going to test if the oil is hot enough to fry the bhajias. And no, still gonna have to wait for a while. So I'm going to place about 1 tablespoon of the batter into the oil. And remember, this has baking powder in it, so don't fill the pot. Leave it as is in the pot without stirring it continuously until one side browns. Turn them around once one side has slightly browned. If you find that the tablespoon is a bit too big a portion, then you can use a teaspoon and fry these. That obviously will take a lot longer time, but it will serve more people. Once they are a golden brown color, we're going to remove these from the oil and then place them into a casserole that is lined with some tissue or some kitchen towel. So the reason we use some kitchen towel for the bhajias once they fried is so that it absorbs most of the oil that was taken in while frying. So I've just put in a second batch into the oil to fry, and it usually takes about, say, 2 to 3 minutes on either side to brown. If you find that the oil gets too hot and starts bubbling, you can lower the heat of the stove plate. So with this oil that you used for frying, you don't have to discard this or throw it away. You can reuse this by straining the oil. Well, first you'll have to wait for it to cool and then strain the oil, and it can be used again for frying other food items. To plate this, I'm just going to add in some tamarind sauce, and you can get the link of the recipe on how to make tamarind sauce now. I've posted it up above. Try it and let me know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed that tamarind sauce. So now I'm just going to plate this. And doesn't that look awesome? Doesn't this look so delicious? And you can garnish this with some coriander leaves to make it a bit more presentable, and you're ready to serve your guests. So just to show you what the inside looks like, it's perfectly cooked. So wasn't that quick and easy? Let me know in the comment section down below if you tried it and if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!